everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my October 2019 Boxycharm. So I did already open this box. I pulled the card out to take a look at what was inside. I have all my makeup on except for my eyeshadow, so that might give you a little bit of an indication of what some of the things are in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box. That is what it looks like when I open it, and you can't really see everything, and that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and start pulling the items out. The card has some interesting information on it this month. First of all, it has all the products that are listed on here. It does give an option that you can enter to win a subscription for a 1-year subscription to Boxycharm. You got to use Facetune. I don't use Facetune. I think I just look fine without it, to be honest with you. It looks like they're creating a third type of Boxycharm. So the base Boxycharm is this one. It used to be $21 a month. They are now raising the price to $25 per month. It looks like they're going to have a Boxycharm Premium that's going to be $35 per month. And then they do have that $50 per 1 month. And I forget what it's called. Boxy Luxe, I think, is what it's called. And it's only quarterly. So it looks like they're starting a Boxycharm Premium. So we'll see. I'm going to take a look at that and see if I'm even interested at all. Boxycharm, I don't know. It's Ipsy, I think, is doing better right now than Boxycharm, but that's just my opinion. Let's go ahead and get into the box. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out right here. This is from Iconic London. It looks like it might have leaked. No. Doesn't look like there's any product or anything, but there is a little bit of space there at the top. But this is kind of cool. It's one of those ones that has like all the stuff floating in it, the shininess flowing through it. I don't know if the camera will pick up all of that as it's moving around. It looks like it's picking up some of it. But it's pretty cool looking. Honestly, this might go in a giveaway drawer because of the fact that I have the Cover FX one. I also have one from the drugstore. What is it? Hold on, let me look. So I have the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, which is very similar, except for I think it has I think this might have actual glitter in it. But then I have the Catrice Prime and Fine, and this is like almost exactly the same thing. I just shook it up to see if it'll show you. It has basically the same thing going on, and I just don't ever really reach for it. I don't know. This is pretty though. It might be in a future giveaway. How about that? You'll see when it comes closer to the holidays. I'm going to be doing a couple of big giveaways. So this is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. It's a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with Iconic's glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E, this 100% vegan Wonder Spray helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. I don't know, that might actually be something nice to put on the skin, actually. I didn't even think about that. Like the body. Not the skin, obviously, but the body. Like if I'm going to the beach or something and I want to look like, I don't know, radiant, glowy, whatever. I just use my hands a lot when I talk. That might be something cute to put like all over the body before going to the beach. I don't know. It still might be coming in a giveaway soon to you. So I'm going to go ahead in here and grab the next couple of things that are on the bottom of the box. This is 2 sheet masks from Green Tea. I'm sorry, it's the Go-To Beauty Green Tea Sheet Mask. Says benefits of green tea: cell tissue repair, boost of antioxidant, reduced inflammation. So yeah, 2 sheet masks for the face. This says give your skin what it craves with these easy to use sheet masks. Each and every mask contains skin loving ingredients packed inside. So many options, everyone can use one. So it says that the MSRP for this is $20 or $19.98. That's pretty high for 2 sheet masks, I think. I don't know. I forgot to tell you, the theme for this is After Dark. So there you go. All right, let's dig around. I'm going to pull the eyeshadow out last. Let's go for this one right here. This is from Hank and Henry. This is the Slick With It Mascara Duo. So I'm not going to put this on. I have a lot of mascaras open, so I might open this at the end of the month when I do my full face of Beauty Box makeup. I don't know. We will see. It depends on what else I get this month, but I don't want to open it right now because I have a lot of mascaras open. So this is the Slick With It Mascara Duo from Hank and Henry. Slick With It mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The Duo Wand applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. So, all right. Depending on what else I get this month, I may be opening that. I don't know. We will see. All right, this next item I am going to try on. This is from Mellow. It is the Tinted Brow Gel, and this is in the shade Light Brown. So I did put pencil in my eyebrows already, but I'll go ahead and put this on too. I used a blonde pencil, so I probably should have thought of that a little bit, but let's read from it first, and then I'm going to put it in my brows. So this is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. A lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. So let's see. Oh, that is a big wand. It says it's a mini wand. It looks pretty big to me. Not quite the size of a mascara, but definitely big. And I have big eyebrows. Okay. So it's not bad shade-wise for me. It's not bad. It looks kind of warm, and my natural hair color is a little bit on the cooler side, but it's okay. Alrighty. Last item in my box. It is from Dose of Colors, and I did get the Pretty Cool palette. I know that there was a couple of options. I think I just saw Just Ann open her box, and I think she got the siennas, like the orange tones. I was actually pretty excited to get this. I don't know that I have any palette that looks quite like this. Now, I will say this. I'll take the brush out. It is a bunch of shades of brown. I mean, that's what it is. So you're only going to get a neutral look out of this. You're not going to get anything super colorful or anything like that. But I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing for me to have this. So I already did put a just a pale shade. I put on primer, and then I did also put just a pale shade, a cream colored shade on my lids to set the primer. But we're going to go in and we're going to do an eye look with this. So if you're not interested in the usage of this product, I do appreciate you watching my video. You can hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave any comments in the comment section down below. I forgot to tell you, I have variation, I believe it said 19. Yes, variation at 19. So there's a lot of variations this month. All right, we're going to go ahead and try out this palette. I think what I'm going to do is go into the pale shade. Actually, no, I'm going to go into the second shade first, which is some shade. Let's Chill. And I'm going to use that with a fluffy brush, and we're going to put that in my crease here to start darkening this up. Now, it's called, the palette is called Let's Cool. I actually think this is more like a smoky palette than like cool tone, because this shade right here that I'm using, which happens to be Let's Chill, is a little bit, I think, a little bit on a warmer undertone than a cooler undertone. And I probably should have went with a bold look, or bold lip, excuse me, because of the neutral colors of this palette. But I figured I would just go with a simple, you know, it's fall, like a brownish lipstick. So that's what I did. So all right, so I'm going to go into the pale shade. It says it's taupe topless. It's topless, but it's taupe. I'm going to go ahead and just put this all over my lid. I'm using the same brush. I know it's heresy, but it's fine. My lids, if it ends up all mixing together, it's fine. I am okay with that. That's not a bad little shade right there. Okay, I'm going to go into, so this is almost a gray, this shade right here. It says that that is fine print. This is Sign Off, and this is Smoke Show. I think what I'm going to do is go into Smoke Show, which almost looks like a purple undertone, and I'm just going to put that in the outer V. I probably should be using a smaller brush for this rather than this brush, but let's live on the wild side, right? Plus, my right eye never looks as good as my left eye. It's just a fact. All right, I'm actually just going to use the brush that came in it. I'm going to go into that shade, which was what, Smoke Show, with this brush, and I'm just going to put that along my lower lash line. Honestly, I'm just being lazy, and I'm not getting out another brush from my brush collection, even though I have like a million brushes, and I probably should just get one from my collection. But I'm going to use the brush that came with it, because why not? It came with a brush. I think that's all I'm going to do. I mean, I know I only used three of the shades. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them all on the back of my hand so you can see the swatches. There they are. Kind of made a mess, but there it is, from the lightest to the darkest. Yeah. They definitely all have individual shades to them. And that last one, the one that I put in my outer corner, definitely looks purple. That's just odd to me. It definitely looks purple. I'm going to get this off my hands. All right, so that is my entire Boxycharm for October of 2019. And I put the little piece of plastic back in here. So let's recap everything real quick. I got the Pretty Cool palette from Dose of Colors, which I like. It's only ever going to give me a very simple look, which is fine. You know, this is very good everyday kind of use if you like cool tones. We got the brow gel, which it's fine. It's fine. The mascara, which I'm not sure what it's going to be like. I haven't tried it. The Iconic London Cool Looking Spray. And what am I missing? Oh, the face masks. So I paid $21 for this box. Like I said, the price is going up to $25, $25 in November. Honestly, I know the value is there. The eyeshadow palette is $32. The Iconic London spray is $29. The Hank & Henry mascara is $19. The brow gel is $16, and the masks is $20. So real quick addition there. That's $61, $70, $80 plus 16 is 96, plus another 20, like $116. The value is 116 if I added it correctly. If not, I don't know. I'm not good at math quickly. So it's around $115, $116, somewhere in that range, value-wise. But honestly, I'm not like super excited about it. Let me know in the comment section down below what you all think of this box this month. Boxycharm has definitely done a lot better. I have been more excited recently about what Ipsy is doing than about Boxycharm. I have not even bought the Boxy Luxe because every time the spoilers come out, I'm just not really all that interested in it. So I have not bothered to pick up the Boxy Luxe yet. Now, I have yet to get all of my Ipsy boxes in for this month. I did get all 3, but so I will see how that goes. But for now, I'm not super excited about this box. I don't know what you guys think. Anyway, if you like this video, if you like unboxings, give me a thumbs up down below. Hit that like button. If you have any comments, leave those in the comment section. I would love to know your thoughts on how Boxycharm is doing recently. I don't know if maybe they're just trying to grow too fast, and I don't know. I'm not feeling real great about this box. And leave me, hit that subscribe button if you want to come back and see more unboxings or more beauty related videos. I would love it if you would join me. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.